Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to add a blog post in WordPress with Elementor. Let's dive right in. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. On this page, click on Add New Plugin option at the top left side of the screen. Go to the search bar, search for Elementor and press Enter. In the search results, you can see several plugin options for installation. I will choose the Elementor website builder by Elementor.com, which has 10 million plus installations, excellent ratings, and compatibility with my WordPress version. Click on the Install Now button and after its installation tab on the Activate button to activate it. Once you activate it, you will be directed to the Elementor page. Here, click on the Create My Account button and follow the instructions. Now, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Posts section and then click on Add New Post button. Click the Edit with Elementor button. Click on the page, and next click on the Add icon here. Add some headings you like. Choose the structure you want and more. Edit and create the blog post you like. On Elementor, you can create, edit, and adjust every single element of your post. Once you are satisfied with your blog post, click on the Publish button at the top right corner. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.